Did you know our dishwasher detergent has nasty chemicals in it, and we're eating off of those dishes? Hi, Katie here from Simply Earth, here to share with you a natural dishwasher detergent recipe. For this recipe, you'll need a cup of washing soda, a cup of borax, a quarter cup of Epsom salt, and a quarter cup of white vinegar, and 10 drops of nutmeg essential oil, and lemon essential oil, and a label. To start this recipe, I am going to mix all my dry ingredients together. Once my dry ingredients are mixed together, I'll add my white vinegar and I'm going to stir really quickly to avoid fizz. Once that becomes the consistency of wet sand, I'm going to add my essential oils. Once you've added your essential oils, you'll mix those as well. To use, I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons to my dishwasher detergent compartment in my dishwasher. It takes about 2 tablespoons for me. And I also like to add a cup of vinegar in the top shelf of my dishwasher, and that's going to reduce film or powdery residue left on the dishes. If you want to try this recipe at home, subscribe to our essential oil recipe box and we'll send you what you need to make this recipe, including 4 full-size essential oils, 5 other recipes, plus the extras you need to make them. Don't wait, last month we sold out, so subscribe today.